Hello people, after so long I'm shooting a video and it feels so nice. People, the place I'm shooting from, this place is called Kavuri Hills in Hyderabad. See, you could take a look at it. That's in Orbit Mall. It's a very well-known landmark in Hyderabad, and I'm sitting on my office terrace, and I've come pretty like the timing to come is 10 and I'm here by 9, so I have this little time to shoot my video. And so in this particular video I want to talk about how to get rid of eczema. It's like so people, if any sort of skin trouble, the first thing you need to do is check if you're allergic to something, and also if you just eliminate dairy and non-veg food if you can, because dairy is very inflammatory, and you know any sort of skin trouble is supposed to be is caused by a leaking gut. It's that's what, if you do a whole Google search or on YouTube itself, you'll realize this. So just avoid dairy and non-veg food and you'll have good skin. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.